So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we are going to solve this with our equation. The number problem naman po ang usapan natin. So paano po ba natin ito gagawin? So with the number problem, given, let's have 4 less than a number is 15, find the number. So we are just only talking about here with one number. So it will be easier because you just need to represent it as let x be the number. And then, what are we going to do next? 4 less than the number is 15. So just represent this or do the equation 4 less than a number which is x is, so equal sign, then 15. So you already have your equation, then we can now solve. So x is equal to 15 plus 4. So x is equal to 19. Then of course, the number or the conclusion natin at the final or at the end, the number is 19. Huwag pong kalimutan yan, ha? Okay, another one. So, thrice a number increased by 7 is subtracted, or 3 subtracted from the number. Find the number. Okay? So, that is let x be the number, and then let us solve or do the equation. Thrice a number increased by 7. So, thrice a number increased by 7 is 3 subtracted from the number. So, that's the equation, and we can now solve this one. Equal to x minus 3. Pagsama-samahin ng pare-pareho, 3x minus x is equal to negative 3 minus 7. So, that is 2x equal to negative 10. Divide both sides by 2. X is equal to negative 5. So, the number is negative 5. Okay? So, what if we have the sum of two numbers is 60, the larger is 4 times the smaller, find the smaller. So, dito sa problem na to, dalawang numbers na yung nawawala. So, paano po natin gagawin yan? The first sentence will tell us the representation. The second sentence will tell us the equation, and the third sentence will give us the final answer. So, if the first sentence tells us that the sum of two numbers is 60, then we can say that if we are going to represent this, we're going to have let x be the smaller, and then what will be your representation for the larger? Since you already have the sum to be 60, and you already have the smaller to be x, then how are you going to represent the larger? So, kung may total ka na 60, meron ka pang smaller na x, then what will remain? So, ano ba yung natitira para kay larger? So, that will be represented as 60 minus x. Okay? So, the next sentence will tell us the equation. The larger is 4 times the smaller. The larger is equal to 4 times the smaller. So, palitan natin. Ano ba yung nirepresent natin sa dalawang pangalan na yan? The larger is represented as 60 minus x, and the smaller is represented as x. Then, we have now our equation. Then, solve. So, if we have 60 minus x equal to 4x, pagsama-samahin lang sa isang side ang pare-pareho. So, 4x plus x will give us 5x. Very good. So, divide both sides by 5. X is equal to 12. Substitute natin dun sa nirepresent. The smaller is x, therefore that is 12. But the larger is 60 minus x, so 60 minus 12 will give us an answer of 48. Very good. But the third sentence tells us to get the smaller number. So our final answer should be the smaller number is 12. Yan ang final answer natin. But what if, sir, medyo sanay po ako na ang gagawin natin ay yung may comparison. Okay, kunyari ang ginawa ay first sentence, the larger is 4 times the smaller. Binaliktad, nakita niyo po ba yung sa given? Okay, ang tanong, kanino po tayo nag-compare o sino yung naging point of comparison natin? Let x be, okay, si larger ay kinompare kay smaller. So let x be the smaller, and what will be our representation for the larger? The larger is represented as 4 times the smaller. So 4 times the smaller. O, ang second sentence na, siya na yung magiging equation. Sabi dyan, the sum of these two numbers is 60. So, if you add the smaller and the larger, that will be equal to 60. So, the smaller is represented as x, the larger is represented as 4x equal to 60. So, just add x plus 4x is equal to 5x. Very good. And then divide both sides by 5. X is 12. Ayan. So, balikan natin representation. Smaller is 12. And what is the larger? 4 times 12 is 48. So, parehong-pareho pa rin po. So, kung saan po kayo masanay sa tingin ninyo para ma-solve yan, okay lang po sa akin. But still, magkakapareho pa rin naman po tayo ng final answer. The smaller number is 12. Very good. Okay? And, last but not the least, dito nagkaroon, the smaller is 7 less than the larger. The sum of the two numbers is 13. Find the numbers. Sige nga po, kayo nga po yung mag-try. Pause nyo po ulit tong video at para magawa ninyo. At yun na nga, ang tanong, kanino po tayo nag-compare? The smaller is 7 less than the larger. So the larger became our point of comparison. So let x be the larger and the smaller will be represented as what? 7 less than the larger. So that is x minus 7. So the sum of these two numbers is 13. So what you have here will be x plus x minus 7 is equal to 13. So just solve. Pagsamasamahin sa isang side ang magkakapareho or yung like terms kung tawagin. So 2x is equal to 20. Divide both sides by 2. X is therefore equal to 10. So the larger number is 10. And how about the smaller? It's 10 minus 7, therefore that is equal to 3. At ano yung pinapahanap? Find the number. So yung dalawa po. So we can have our conclusion to be the larger number is 10 and the smaller is 3. Okay? So hope you got the correct answer. And once again, thank you for watching.